Hi, in this video, we will see how we can use arithmetic operators and perform data manipulation using arithmetic operator. A quick connection point between what is binary operator and how arithmetic operator is fitting in that. So to accommodate the binary operators, arithmetic operators will work on two operands. So in order to show how arithmetic operator will behave, I'm going to create two variables, x, and also going to assign it a value. X is going to be 10 and my y is going to be, x is 20 and my y is going to be 10. We can perform binary addition, which is using not binary addition. We're going to perform addition operation using the arithmetic operator, and we knew arithmetic operator is plus, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. So let's perform the first addition operation, which is x plus y. And I'm going to put some wordings here so that we differentiate between our operation and the result that we will be getting from that. So I will keep it like this. And here I'm going to put x plus y value is going to copy this thing so that I will not have to type everything again and again. So I am going to copy this 5 times. So the second operation that we will try to demonstrate here will be like x minus y, and here I'll have to apply the operation of subtraction, which is minus. Third statement will be x into y, which is going to be x into y. And fourth we'll do division. So put division symbol. And fifth is modulus, and put modulus. So let's try to run this thing. Here what we will get is 30 because simple addition, and here we will get 10 because it is 20 minus 10, so it is 10. And here we'll get the multiplication of 20 into 10, which is going to be 200. And here it is going to be 20 divided by 10, it is going to be 2, because division operation will consider the quotient and modulus operation will consider your remainder. So your remainder for 20 divided by 10 is going to be 0. I'm also going to add the word quotient, and here it is remainder. Just to remember, even I get confused sometimes. So your division is going to consider the quotient and the modulus is going to consider the remainder. Let's try to run this. So we have 30, 10, 200, 2 and 0. So that's an example for arithmetic operators. An additional point that one should be noting down while they are trying to perform division operation, and while trying to perform division operation, and when you have quotient, or let's say a situation, not just division operation, in case if you will be handling numbers that will have decimal points, we would have already mentioned that in the data types where we can use primitive type, which is double or float. Generally go with double because it will support you for wider positions of having your decimal points. So here in this case, we had x divided by y gave you a whole number, which is 2. So there was no problem. But let's say if your x is going to be 25, I'm going to reassign my x to 25, and I will try to print this println statement from the previous line again. My y is 10, my x is 25 now. Let's see what the value is going to be. Now the value is going to be still 2 when the x is divided by y. This is because both the numbers are in integer type. It is rounding off your 2.5 into 2. So to avoid such situations, try to use double. So I'm going to keep double number 1 is equals to 25 and my y is 10. Since one of my number is double, the Java is automatically going to consider the second number also into double. So let's rerun this. So now you will have like x divided by y is 2.5 because now we have accommodated the decimal using double number. This is something we should remember. That is all about arithmetic operators. We'll have to move on to the next one, which is relational operator.